Hi friends, fellow manifestors. Here's our number one problem in manifesting. The fact is, manifesting rules, philosophies, ideas are very simple in nature, but it's still very hard to create. Why is that? What's the number one problem in creation of what we want and creating our reality, our dreams you're looking for, our number one problem for manifesting? Let me explain to you. The number one problem is that we react, we stay in what is. We look at this, we always stay in the lack mode. We always give a reaction to what is in the universe. We end up being in the problem state. That's the number one issue. Look at anything you're looking for. Let's just say you're looking for money, you're looking for a job, you're looking for a good health, you're looking for a relationship. All these desires are, think of a stick, the two ends of the stick. One end of the stick is the lack, that where we are. We don't have this. We don't have the money. We don't have a relationship. We don't have a job. We don't have good health. That's the lack. This is where we are. Most of the time, we end up in a lack state, or we end up being in a state of what is. What is what's driving you. That's what's creating the desire, which is good. What is driving the desire. Hey, I want this. But we stay there. We should leave the state. We create the desire and move on to the other end of the stick. So other end of the stick is your other part of it, that the opposite. I have the money, I have the relationship, I have the job, I have the health. And that's a happy, positive state. And that brings you joy. That's what you want. That's what your desire is. This is where you are. This is the problem state, right? Where you are, problem state. And your desired state where you want to be. The problem, number one issue is this in manifesting. We are always in the problem state. We are in the problem end of the stick. We are in the as-is state. As-is means that what you see in the world, is the problem, the lack, what's happening now in your life. That's the problem state. That's your as-is state. That's your current state. You stay there. You look at it all the time. You lament, you worry, you think about it, you're fearful, you're doubtful, you're angry. All these bring your vibration down. So that's the problem end of the stick, as-is end of the stick, versus the solution end of the stick, or your desired state. So you need to move from the problem, as-is state, current state, into your solution, your desire, your future wish state. That's the work we need to do. I have a lot of things I can help you to go from here to here. That's the number one. If you're here, what happens is you are in a state of lack. Your thoughts think about it. Your thoughts worry, I can't, like for example, it's like money. Money is number one, or many people have money as an issue. So you think about, I don't have the money. I wish I have the money. Or where's the money going to come from? How am I going to pay this thing here? I got a bill here. You're always in the state of worry and lack. I don't have it. I wish I have it. I want it. That's the state you are in. And that's what I call your state of being, your thoughts, your words, your actions. All of them reflect, I'm going to show you a diagram. All of them reflect your current state. Your number one issue is your state of being reflects what is, not what it should be in. So your thoughts, you're showing lack, you're worried about, what you say, your actions, all of them show the lack, show them the current problem, show what is happening. And naturally your belief system doesn't get you there. Your feelings are down. That's your number two problem, is all these staying here, this end of the stick. Your lack state pull you down. You're negative, you're down, you're low vibration, you are fearful, you're worryful, you're doubtful, you're concerned. Your second problem is your vibrational state. That means you're low vibration, your worry and fear. Your emotional scale, you're down there. Again, that's is a side effect. It's a reflection of your first problem. So if you get I talked about state of being, right? State of being talks about your thoughts, your words, your actions, all driven by the belief, all of them drive your feelings and emotions. All of them define your state. The state is your lack state. I talked about this end of the stick. This end of the stick is where you are, or where many times we are, And that's that's your number one problem. That's your state of being is lack. Your thoughts, your words, your actions, your belief, your feeling show this. And if you fix that, if you move from here to here, you have a new state of being. Your state of being abundant. I have it. I'm happy about it. I'm getting it. If you don't think you can, you believe you can, at least say, hey, I'm getting there. I will be all right. I'm sure I'm going to be okay. So you can take a path of, I'm going to get there. As opposed to staying here, you can just say, hey, I'm walking there. I'm getting there. Trust me, I'm happy. I'll be happy tomorrow. I'm coming there. I'm positive. I'm looking forward to it. That's also okay state. Whether if you cannot be completely here in the end of the stake, just be somewhere walking towards that end of the stake. At least you're happy you're going to get there. And don't look back. So that's your number one problem. And that reflects your number two problem is your low vibration. Your state of being I showed you puts you in the low end of the vibrational scale, low end of your feeling that is basically lower frequency that will naturally not let you manifest. To manifest, you got to be in the higher end of the scale, higher end of the vibration or frequency. So in summary, number one problem is our state. Because we are in the problem end of the stake, our state of being, your thoughts, words, actions, your feelings, emotions reflect what is, what you're seeing, what the lack is, what is the problem. You stay in the problem state. That is the number one issue, the problem, and that's why you will not manifest. Keep in mind, universe, creation does not give you what you want. You don't get what you want, but you get what you are. If you are in this end of the stick, you will get that only. If you are in this end of the stick, the solution state, you will get that solution. So be in the right end of the stick. Change your state of being. That's your problem, and that's the solution to get there, okay? If you fix this, you will fix your number one problem. But this also means that, hey, you want to ask the question, how do I ignore what is? How do I ignore the reality? I'm facing it. I need to pay money. I worry about it. That is the homework. That is the work we got to do. And there are ways to do that. There are practices and steps to do that. I can't cover in this video. Join me. I have other videos on this topic. I do have an ebook. I have a course to explain to you how you can march from this end of the stake to the problem end of the stake, the lack end of the stake, to the abundance having end of the stake, the solution end of the stake, or having the end of the stake. That's the state you got to be in. There are ways and practices and methods to get there. I will assure you, I'll guarantee it's possible. If you're this end of the stake, it is not possible. To go here, it is possible. I will give you a free course, a free book. I'm not looking for money. Just do it with me. My biggest joy is you do it. You be happy. That'll bring me a lot of pleasure for me. I've been there. I read tons of books for the last 5-6 years. I've practiced for many years. Hence, I summarize what works, what doesn't work in my book. I'll give it to you freely. And I'm giving a free course this year. Join me and we will get there. I'll help you get there to fix these problems. You fix this number one problem, you are 80% through. And this will reflect in your number two problem. I talked about your vibration, your frequency, emotional state, your feeling state. And if you fix, that will automatically fix, mostly fix. We need to also work on that. If you fix that, you fix two of the best, most important problem. And I'll guarantee you're a long way away in getting, in bridging the gap, long way in your manifesting path, in your goals. You will get there for sure. Okay, I will see you in the next video. I hope you like it. If you like the video, subscribe, like, and share. I'm 𝐉𝐨𝐢𝐧. I'm part of Manifesting the Best. I'm the coach here. Join me in my class or join me in my next video. I'll see you there. Bye. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.